You know that moment when you just know you are being called to create something bigger than yourself. That's exactly how Rebel Skincare started. And it began with one of the products that I felt deeply led to create. So I was already working with women every day, helping them heal their skin, restore their confidence. We were working on a lot of fine lines and creases that we get as we get older around our mouths that can be frustrating. But something in me said, hey, you need to create something more, something that actually supports skin healing and the aftercare process for your clients. Now, if you saw my videos on why I started Rebel Skincare, you know that both my parents passed from stage 4 lung cancer just 3 months apart from each other. And that loss, it was a huge eye opener. I mean, it was like, that's impossible. How can you both get stage 4 lung cancer, right? But it happened, and I started looking at the toxicity that we're surrounded with every single day. It's in our products, it's in our environment, it's in what we put on our skin, what we wash our hair with. So when I started creating the product Skin Revival, it wasn't just about results. This was about removing the garbage that was in our skincare, the garbage ingredients, and giving our skin a safe, healing ingredients that it really deserved. And that's when Skin Revival was born. I kept feeling this pull to go back to the roots of what's true, to those ingredients that were already mentioned in the Bible. The frankincense, the myrrh, the sandalwood, those rich, just earthy ingredients that we know are so healing. And I've always said, if it's good enough for Jesus, it's good enough for you, because these oils aren't just symbolic. They're powerful, restorative, and they're deeply healing when used in the right way. Hi, my name's Nikki Matias, and I'm a paramedical and cosmetic tattoo artist, and I have spent years working on real faces and helping people just like you heal their skin naturally and understand what it really needs to thrive without toxins, confusion, or that 10-step routine. Now, when I started formulating Skin Revival, I was really focused on helping my clients heal after certain procedures, especially those fine line procedures around the mouth. And I gave it to one of my amazing clients, Darlene, to use as an aftercare oil during her healing. And I would say a month later, she came back for her follow-up photos and said, Nikki, I think you have something here, because I've been using this on my entire face and I've never seen my skin look so good. And I will say that we took those after photos and her skin looked completely different, so much more glowing, so much healthier. And that's when I knew this wasn't just an aftercare serum. This was the beginning of something much, much bigger. It was the start of Rebel Skincare, a clean, biblical, results-driven skincare line for women who want products that actually work and help their skin to do what God designed it to do, which is heal. I have always believed that our bodies were made to have this incredible capability of healing. We just have to stop getting in the way and give it the chance to heal. And by combining some of those biblical oils like frankincense, sandalwood, and myrrh with simple, safe, science-backed ingredients, we're not reinventing skincare. We're just returning back to truth. And if you're ready to start your own skincare journey towards healthy, healed skin, take my Where to Start Skincare quiz. It's quick, it's simple. It'll help you find the right place to begin, just like I did when I created Skin Revival. And if you found this inspiring, please like and subscribe so more women like you can take their power back through truth and education. Because aging gracefully, it begins with truth and a little rebellion.